Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with what actually fixes most power save issues. Check power and inputs now. Make sure the power cable and outlet are delivering current. An amber LED often means standby. Next, confirm the monitor input matches your PC output. Switch HDMI to DisplayPort if needed, because incorrect input forces standby. Once done, power cycle both monitor and computer by unplugging for 30 seconds, then reconnect. This clears temporary edit and handshake problems, so the monitor can exit power saving. Now dive into settings that control when and why the monitor sleeps. Use the OSD buttons to find and disable power save, eco, or auto sleep. This forces the display to stay active. Then update your graphics driver. Outdated drivers cause handshake failures between GPU and monitor. Make sure the operating system power plan does not send the display to sleep quickly. Set display off to a longer interval. These steps solve deeper communication and software conflicts that mimic hardware failure. Finish by validating the fix and preparing a clear fallback. After changing settings, perform an OSD factory reset to remove conflicting presets. This restores native defaults. Then test with a different cable, port, or another computer to isolate whether the monitor or source is at fault. If the monitor still enters power saving, record LED behavior and error signs, because that information speeds Dell support. One key troubleshooting tip: swapping the cable often reveals a bad cable or port. Try that before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.